Are you a company thinking of using WhatsApp Business API but don't know exactly how it works? Then this is the Respond.io video for you. Today we're going to be talking about WhatsApp API messaging, pricing, and how to set up an account. WhatsApp Business API is designed for larger companies. To connect WhatsApp Business to your company's software, you'll need a WhatsApp API account, and that's where a WhatsApp partner comes in. WhatsApp API accounts are not available directly through WhatsApp, so you'll need to apply through a WhatsApp partner in order to get approved. Once approved, you'll set up your WhatsApp Business profile. A business profile is similar to a regular WhatsApp profile, with additional business information like website, address, and business hours. WhatsApp Business policy requires active consent from a user before a business can begin messaging them. There are two ways to get consent from a WhatsApp user. The simplest is the user sends the first message. Another option is a checkbox opt-in, in which the user will need to check a box and add their phone number to give consent. Once done, a business can send the first message. WhatsApp API has the same messaging features as regular WhatsApp, with sent and read receipts, media messages, and even location sharing. But there are some messaging limitations businesses must abide by. Depending on how long it has been since a user's last message, the message a business sends will either be considered as a session or a template message. Responses sent within 24 hours are called session messages. During this time, there are no limits to the message content or number of messages that a business can send. For any message sent outside of this window, a business will need to use a template message. Template messages are messages containing strings of text with placeholders, and before these types of messages can be sent, the content of them must be approved by WhatsApp. Template messages are intended for transactional notifications like account updates or delivery notifications, and promotional content is not allowed. You can also use template messages to try and restart a conversation. It is up to you to explore the true limitations of the template message approval process. If you're working in sales, you might be wondering about group messaging on WhatsApp API. For now, WhatsApp Groups is a feature that's still in beta, but we do know that businesses cannot be invited or added to a group, but that they can create groups and invite users. The last thing you need to know before applying for an account is pricing. Pricing is set by WhatsApp partners with different prices for session and template messages. Some partners don't even charge by message, but rather by another pricing model, such as per monthly active user. For a detailed look into pricing, check out our blog on WhatsApp partners or our video. Once you've chosen a partner to suit your needs, applying for an account usually has these steps. Step 1. Choose a WhatsApp partner. We have a guide on how to choose the best partner for your business needs, which will link in the description below. It'll save you time on research as we've already compared the leading WhatsApp partners all in one place. Step 2. Submit company information to WhatsApp for account approval. You'll need to provide a Facebook Business Manager ID and have your company verified on Facebook Business before your account can get approved. The last step is activating a business number, and choose the number you want for your account carefully, as you can't change it later. Your WhatsApp partner may be able to port an existing number for you or sell you a new number to use, although not all partners provide numbers in every country, so you'll want to check for this. Account approval takes roughly 3 to 14 business days, and once your number is activated, you can connect your API account to a CRM and start messaging. Now that you know how WhatsApp API works, why not check out our video on WhatsApp partners if you think you're ready to set up your account? Plus, for all your business messaging needs, as always, like and subscribe to Respond.io.